Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I bid to Dr. Reza and all my fellow friends. My name is NURUL ATIKAH BINTI Muhammad NAZROL, and today I will represent my technology, which is copper-clad stainless steel. Introduction to copper-clad stainless steel. Cladding is one of the new technology methods that allow you to widen your design possibilities, bring additional improvements in product performance and manufacturing capabilities. Also will reduce the cost production and will improve surface properties such as wear, corrosion resistance, and hardness of the working tool. Mechanism of copper-clad stainless steel. In order to produce copper-clad stainless steel, we need to undergo three processes, which is hot rolling process, explosion, and also both explosion and hot rolling. Hot rolling process is a process which is metal is heated above the temperature of the recrystallization to deform it in the working or rolling phase. The hot metal is passed between two rolls to flatten it, lengthen it, raising the cross-section area, and also achieve a uniform thickness. Explosion. Under the impact of the detonation, a layer of cladding material is compressed to depend tangentially on the base plate. A jet of metal in the form of a spray is ejected before the contact point, cleaning the welding surface of any oxide film or surface impurity, and also pressure at the impact point is well above the yield strength at any object, resulting in metallurgical bonding between the touching surface. There are some technologies that use cladding process but in different ways, such as cold spraying and laser cladding. But there are also advantages, disadvantages, and limitations of this technology. The advantages of cold spraying is it will produce high-quality coating due to its low working temperature that is far below the melting point. It will improve combination of power, thermal conductivity, and strength compared to the laser cladding process. It also has comparatively higher electric and thermal conductivity, and usage of fine powder particles may produce dense high-quality coatings. Disadvantages of cold spraying is the adhesive strength obtained is lower since the substrate was dispersed in the coating when the surface was melted. It also has limitation to do cold spraying process, which is thick coatings of 3 mm of copper could be applied to stainless steel. Next is laser cladding. Advantages of laser cladding is it can achieve good adhesive strength between the substrate and the cladding through the process. It requires low heat input, which reduces the thermal effects on heat-sensitive components to some extent. The disadvantages of laser cladding is it will produce crack generation, substrate will hardening because of uncontrolled thermal effects, and also adverse product characteristic and porosity. The limitation of laser cladding is same with cold spraying, which is thick coating of 3 mm of copper could be applied to stainless steel. Nowadays, there are also current trends and parts manufactured using copper-clad stainless steel. The first example of part manufactured using copper-clad stainless steel is grounding device. It has good elasticity, high tensile resilience, and also strong resistance. The manufacturing process is well designed, and many businesses continue to invest in it. It also has low and constant corrosion. It uses high cost, also it is easy to steal as it has a value between theft. There are some limitations that we need to follow to produce grounding device, which is the diameter will not be lower than 0.25 mm to make it suitable for replacement after construction and to meet the criteria for corrosion resistance. The second example is nuclear fusion equipment, which is coil joint. Copper-clad stainless steel is used as a coil joint in nuclear fusion equipment as it has excellent wave shape and joint interface. There are also no intermetallic regions and no melting at the interface level when we use copper-clad stainless steel as a coil joint. However, there are also some characteristics that need to be followed, such as we need to have more than 110 megapascal shear strength on the point interface. The pressure of liquid helium and the ambient temperature of the coil joint must be between 0.6 until 3.0 megapascal and 4.5 until 6 Kelvin respectively. In conclusion, to produce copper-clad stainless steel, many processes can be used such as laser cladding, cold spray and others. However, there are also advantages, disadvantages and limitations throughout this process. That's all from me. Thank you.